Managing employee benefits and payroll can be a daunting task, but with Oyster, it becomes streamlined and simple. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to manage these critical functions on the platform so you can focus on growing your business. Oyster is a global employment platform designed to simplify payroll and employee benefits management for businesses around the world. Whether you're managing a few employees or a global team, Oyster allows you to handle benefits and payroll effortlessly, ensuring everything is compliant with local laws. It's all done in a single platform that automates many of the manual processes, saving you time and avoiding costly mistakes. Let's start with managing payroll on Oyster. First, you'll need to create your account and set up your team members. From here, you can enter payroll information for each employee, including salary, bonus structure, and tax details. Oyster integrates with global payroll systems, so it calculates the appropriate taxes, deductions, and net salaries for you based on the employee's location. This ensures that no matter where your employees are based, they're paid accurately and on time. Once payroll is set up, you can schedule automatic payments for each pay cycle. Oyster makes it incredibly easy to set up payroll in advance, eliminating the need for manual intervention each month. This level of automation helps ensure that you won't miss any important dates or forget to pay an employee. Now let's move on to employee benefits. With Oyster, offering competitive benefits packages is a breeze. Whether you want to offer health insurance, retirement plans, or paid time off, the platform provides a wide range of options. You can customize benefits for different employees or locations, depending on your company's needs. Oyster integrates with leading benefits providers to give your employees access to top-tier benefits without the hassle of managing it all yourself. You can set up employee benefits in just a few clicks, and the software automatically applies the correct benefits to each employee based on their location, role, and personal preferences. You'll also be able to track benefits usage and monitor employees' benefits through Oyster's intuitive dashboard. From here, you can see who's enrolled in which benefits programs and make updates as necessary, all from one central location. If any issues arise, Oyster's customer support team is always available to assist. What makes Oyster stand out is its ability to handle multiple countries and currencies. If you have a global team, managing payroll and benefits across different regions can get complicated, but Oyster removes that complexity. You'll get access to localized tax compliance, benefits that adhere to local regulations, and payment options that work worldwide. And the best part? You can try Oyster completely for free through the first link below with exclusive bonuses just for you. You'll get a chance to explore the platform and see firsthand how it can simplify your payroll and employee benefits management, saving you time and reducing the risks associated with errors. To summarize, Oyster is your all-in-one solution for managing employee benefits and payroll, whether your team is small or spread across the globe. It helps you streamline operations, automate processes, and keep your employees satisfied with the benefits they deserve. Don't forget, if you're new to Oyster, you can access an extended free trial by using the link below. Give it a try and see how much easier managing employee benefits and payroll can be.